How to change currency in Trip.com. Hey guys, welcome to today's tutorial. So today I'll be teaching you how to change currency in Trip.com. So if you don't know how to do this, ensure you watch this video to the end. So Trip.com is a website that is basically about trips. That's about air trip, flying with the airplane, with the aeroplane, or whatever or aircraft basically. So they are into making sure that you have an ease free a just have everything at ease. Okay, so a stress-free booking of flight, booking of the hotel where you're going to lodge, and everything. Okay, so they are just basically about making everything easy for you. So now how to get to the Trip website. You have to open the Google Chrome or your PC, then you type in Trip.com, and this interface will be displayed right on your screen. Here at the top left corner you see the Trip.com icon, then close to it you see the search box, and that's at the top left corner. So now at the top right corner you're going to see app. You see help here. You can it's just like the help center for Trip.com, where you can get help on any issue that you have using the website. So you also see my bookings, you see the profile icon, and you see several other options like the hotels that's at the top left corner. You see flights, you see trains, you see cars, you see several things. You can just scroll down the page to have an overview of what Trip.com is basically about. Now, so back to the question, how to change currency in Trip.com. So now you are going to take a look at the top right corner of your screen where we have the USD. Okay, so now you're going to click on the USD. USD is just after it's just before my bookings. Okay, so USD stands for currency, so it's just before my bookings, and you're going to click on USD. And once you do that, you see your drop down will be displayed on your screen. The first thing you're going to see at the top part of the drop down is currency. So you see the several currency that you can use that are available for use in the website. So once you've seen the particular one that you want to use, you select it. Okay, you select the particular one that you want to use. Once you've selected it, just drag your cursor to the particular one and click on it. Once you click on it, your automatically the currency on your website will be changed to that particular currency. So it's very simple. Okay, so it's very simple. You can try it out. So this is basically how to change currency in Trip.com. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you.